Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful plastic watercrafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So viewers, my first idea is viewers, friends, every day countless plastic bottles and their caps are thrown away, but with a little imagination this tiny piece can become colorful decoration, garden art, wall decor, organizer and much more. Collect bottle cap in different color and arrange them into flower shape. Place on cap in the center and cap around it to create petals. 20 मिनट लग जाएंगे. Add suitable stems and some leaves and you can create cheerful flower decoration for a garden wall or crafts display. Another wonderful idea is a bottle cap mosaic art. Bottle cap are available in many different colors which make them perfect for creating colorful patterns. Arrange them on a suitable board to make flower, butterfly, heart, geometric shapes and weavers artwork. And friends, my next idea is weavers bottle cap are you can even create large wall art by combining hundreds of caps for children and families. Simple bottle caps craft can be a fun creative activity. Cap can be stored by colors arranged into different patterns, helping children explore shape, colors and creative design. Another interesting idea is making decorative picture frame. Use bottle cap around a plain frame to create a colorful border. You can choose matching color for neat appearance or mix different shape for playful colors. And weavers, my next idea is friends, weavers, instead of leaving a plain pot looking ordinary, arrange colorful caps around the outsides to create a unique texture design. Choose color that complement the flowers or plants inside. So friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.